Real talk, mamas. There is absolutely nothing more stressful than dressing up in your favorite upscale outfit, heading out to a gorgeous, multi-course dinner at a 3 Michelin-star restaurant, and then realizing your boobs are about to explode. If you are a breastfeeding mom who loves fine dining, you know the absolute panic of trying to balance a tasting menu with your pumping schedule. But here is the tea: you do not have to skip the luxury lifestyle just because you are nursing. Squeezing in a pump session between courses can actually be a total breeze if you know how to navigate the space like a total VIP. Today, we are talking all about how to discreetly pump in a bougie restroom without ruining your vibe. Welcome back to Milky Way Travels, your go-to spot for navigating motherhood without losing your luxury aesthetic. We believe that having a baby shouldn't stop you from taking fabulous vacations, enjoying high-end dinners, or living your absolute best life. But it does mean you need a killer game plan. Grab a glass of sparkling water and let's get into it. Pumping at a high-end restaurant can feel super awkward, but we are going to break down the exact hacks to keep your liquid gold safe while you enjoy that caviar. Let's start with the ultimate game changer, your choice of gear. Leave that giant, clunky pump setup with the cords and plugs at home in the nursery. When you are hitting a high-end spot, wearable, cordless pumps like the Willow or LV are worth every single buck. They slip right into your bra and let you pump completely hands-free. If you wear a flowy dress or a chic oversized blazer, nobody will even notice. You can literally sit through the first 3 courses, let the pump do its thing, and then head to the restroom just to transfer the milk. It is the ultimate power move for keeping your sanity intact while feeling like $1,000,000. But what if you actually need to assemble your gear or need a little privacy? Skip the cramped stalls and head straight for the main vanity area, which in these high-end spots is usually nicer than most hotel rooms. Before you even sit down for your meal, check in with the hostess. You do not need to give a whole speech, just look them in the eye and say, "I will need to pump during dinner. Is there a restroom with an outlet or a private lounge space I can use?" Luxury restaurants pride themselves on elite hospitality, and they will often guide you to a private, spacious restroom or a quiet lounge area that makes the whole experience feel like a VIP spa treatment rather than a chore. Now, let's talk about storing that liquid gold while you finish your dessert. You cannot exactly slide a massive plastic cooler onto a white tablecloth next to your wine glass. Invest in a sleek, high-end travel chiller like the Sears Chill. It looks exactly like an expensive, designer water bottle, fits beautifully inside your luxury diaper bag, and keeps your milk perfectly cold for over 20 hours. Once you finish pumping in the restroom, just pour the ounces into your chiller, seal it up, and head back to the table. No messy ice, no leaky bags, and absolutely zero stress. Pumping as a luxury travel mama doesn't have to be an awkward nightmare. With the right gear and a confident mindset, you can conquer any fine dining experience. If you love these hacks, hit that subscribe button right now. Give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below sharing your wildest pumping stories. Thanks for hanging out with Milky Way Travels, and we will see you in the next one.